Okay, time for a quick game of Truth or Dare. As promised, I thought I'd show you the insides and all the secret tricks in my high voltage power supply that I've been doing all these experiments with. It is every bit as beautiful as your average nightmare, but when you change something half a dozen times you expect it to look a bit fugly. But I'm actually really happy with it now, so the next one I do will probably actually look quite good. But at the moment, I'm no longer embarrassed about this one. I'm a trained professional, certified for military grade soldering, engineering and electronics profession. So when you look at something like this, you really want to turn the light down. But I'm actually going to lean my lamp over a little bit and just have a little giggle in there. So what it is basically is I've got the power coming in through this transformer. I've got it going through an LM723 regulator, which is in this cocaine bag, and that power is being chopped up by this 555 timer, which is powering the classic decade counter. That decade counter is what I just altered to change the duty cycle of this circuit. It was on for 2/4 of a cycle, then it was off, then it was on again. So it had about a 66% duty cycle, but I've changed that. It is now, instead of having a bunch of LEDs flicking in a row, you've got off, on, off, on. And that wave is being chopped into this transformer, which is from a microwave, and I'm also using a capacitor from a microwave. And this power supply has been unaltered for about 6 months and working perfectly, and it's quite tough. As you can see, I just tested by shorting the inputs out. It's about 60 milliamps, and it's quite responsive. I'll just turn it all the way up just for the sake of amusement. And I've got an extra 100 volts out of it and an extra 20-30 milliamps by changing those settings. But I've been waiting for that to be necessary to do, but it hasn't been up until now. But it actually needs to occur now because of this Newman motor. So I'll be back tomorrow with some real experiments, and this power supply lives to fight another day, which is far more than I can say for these Chinesians, which I've had to either fix or completely replace the internals of. This one goes hard, fun, all day long. Okay, build your own. Take it safe, bye bye.